Hey guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you have not hit our subscribe button, first of all, hit the subscribe button. It is very, very important, and it's important to us and it's important to you as well, so that when we post new content, you will be the first to actually get notified and see it. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the best web hosting platform in Nigeria. Now, what is the best web hosting platform in Nigeria, or what are the best web hosting platform in Nigeria? So I'm going to be giving you a list of 5 web hosting platforms that you can also actually use for your web projects as a Nigeria, right? So let's get started. So number 1 best web hosting platform you can utilize if you are a Nigerian, it's QServer. Now, I know a lot of competition has been between QServer and Ugo who is actually the best, and I have utilized QServer, I've utilized Ugo, and I could say right now that QServer is actually better than Ugo. So QServer, it's my number 1 ranking web hosting platform in Nigeria. Now, the reason I use them is because of their uptime. QServer has a better uptime than Ugo, and QServer, although they have a strict policy against investment website, crypto website, banking website, or any form of phishing website entirely, but their server is actually better and stronger, as most big business in Nigeria actually use them, right? So QServer is number 1 best web hosting in Nigeria. So number 2 best web hosting, it's actually Ugo or Go45. Now, Go45, which is the new name of Ugo or the new branding, is actually the number 2. Now, I still use them, and I have like even the main domain of our company, V3 Design, is actually hosted. The .com.ng is actually hosted on that platform, but I'll still rate them as number 2 because they have a lot of issue. Firstly, their customer care support actually is quite slow, and fixing issue is actually a trouble with them. Number 2, when you make payment for your domain, it actually take a lot of time to be activated, so I will take them as number 2. And their uptime, I've not actually used their hosts for quite some time now, so I don't know if they have worked on their uptime. But previously their uptime was really bad, but right now I don't know if they've worked on it, so I will have to check that and get back to you guys. So number 3 here is Smart Web Hosting. Now, Smart Web Hosting is actually great, and I rank them number 3 because they also have their own downside when it comes to customer support, and downtime when it comes to server issue. So I rank them number 3 as the 3rd best web hosting in Nigeria. So you can try any of these top 3 and let me know, or if you have tried them, let me know in the comment which of them you have tried and what was your experience with them. So Smart Web Hosting is actually number 3 on my list. Now, number 4 is DomainKing.ng. Now, DomainKing.ng, I wouldn't say they are actually the new guys in town, but they are actually doing pretty well. Based on their advertisement, their response time and everything, they are doing very well. But sometimes when a business comes out newly, or when a business becomes popular, they try their best to meet up to the standards of the general public, but as time goes on, they start failing. So I don't know how this is going to be for them, but I think currently they are doing well. And if you want to use them, just be sure or have a backup plan, because we really do not know what will happen or what will come off with them. So, but Domain King is actually a great web hosting to utilize if you want to build a website. Now, number 5 is TrueHost. But TrueHost is actually a great hosting platform. They have actually worked on themselves, and this tech company, they try to develop, they try to build better base, they try to grow over time, and TrueHost has proven that yes, you can actually grow. So number 5 on my list is TrueHost. Now, which of them sells the cheapest domain? You have to go check for yourself. I do not check for cheapest domain unless I'm interested in creating a content with it. But I think they all have an average price. The difference should be like 100 naira difference. So I think that should be the 5 best web hosting provider in Nigeria. Now, there are other ones like GigaHost, I think Lighthost or whatever. But for me, these are my 5 best. Let me know your 5 best in the comment as well, and I will see you on the next video. And I also respond to your comment. I'm responding to everybody's comment. And thank you for subscribing to the channel if you have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and a video is going to pop up that's going to teach you more, talk to you more about web hosting, this time free web hosting. So thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button and see you on that next video. Click on it right now.